Looking for how to fix an error required playback ID tap to retry problem on YouTube. In this video, I show you how to fix an error required playback ID tap to retry problem. Just 1 minute. Follow this instruction. Don't skip this video. Go to settings. Then go to apps. Then go to see all apps. Now search for YouTube app. Tap on YouTube. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Tap on storage and cache. Clear storage. Then delete. Now go to Play Store. Search for YouTube. Up to date your YouTube app if available any update version. Now open YouTube app. Now play any video. Now I hope that this method fix tap to retry problem on YouTube.